Hi everyone, Dr. Boaz Mann from Boca Midtown Animal Hospital, and as you can see behind me, we have x-rays from 2 feet that look very different. Here you can see the front left foot being swollen and the right foot for comparison. And today Buddy is going to help us share a very important story. Here you can see Mr. Buddy. He's a sweet 12-year-old Jack Russell Terrier looking at us, and here on the next picture he was looking up at me telling me, "Doc, this lump on my foot is painful. It's getting bigger and bigger," and unfortunately you can see how it got bigger over the last few months. This was a type of cancer called a mast cell tumor, and it was not responding to treatment from an oncologist. Here you can see how large it was from the side, and every time he put his foot down it was getting ulcerated and painful. So we made the difficult decision to go through with an amputation, and Buddy is here to share his story.
Today we're unfortunately having to amputate Buddy's left front leg because Buddy has a very large mast cell tumor on his toes down here. Unfortunately, mast cell tumors are not all what you see. If you saw a mast cell tumor be sort of like my hand, where this is what we see visually, but there's all these cancer cells coming out this way. So there's no way for us to remove it completely here. So we're going to do a full leg amputation at the shoulder, and that way his leg won't be able to hurt anymore, it won't touch the ground, and he'll be able to walk comfortably on 2 legs. We've already performed our amputation, and now we are infusing the surgical area with this product called Nocita, which is a 3-day local anesthetic for pain, so we'll have a nice smooth recovery.
Hi everyone, Dr. Boaz Mann from Boca Midtown Animal Hospital, and I'm here with Mr. Buddy. He's 12 years old and he just had a leg amputation for a painful tumor on his front left leg. And pet parents ask us all the time, can pets live a good quality of life with 3 legs? And the answer is yes. Mr. Buddy is happy. He is recovered nicely. He has a pain injection on board that lasts for 3 days. He's no longer having to put his foot on a painful tumor, and he's walking around within minutes of recovery. So take a look at how great he's doing. He's happy, and he is even walking around on his own. Come here, Buddy. Here you go. What a good boy. Yes, you are such a good boy. Come here. There you go. So he's a living example of why you should never ever doubt the capabilities of a dog and man's best friend.